Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my first video for 2022. So yes, it is New Year's Day. It is a sad day, so it is parkrun day. And even if it wasn't a sad day, we generally get New Year's Day parkruns over here. Not sure about you guys in the rest of the world, but it's always something to look forward to. Down here at Seacliff, south of Adelaide, a lot of people turning out, so curious to see how many people are going to be going for PBs, running hard, starting the year fresh. So let's get over there and see what's going to happen.
Great big hand of applause for all our newbies starting today. My name is Kevin. I'll be your run director today.
Alright guys, there you go. So that's what Seacliff Parkrun looks like. That's what my first run of 2022 looks like. Ran a low 17, felt very hard. I've been having some more issues with my plantar fasciitis, so basically been on the bike the last couple of days. But it's good to get out and have a bit of a blowout here. So hope you guys enjoy the start of the year.